To create a transition between those two open surface edges, we can use the freeform blend control. Inside surfaces, we select each edge, and you see then it creates, for example, a transition which can be positional, so looks like a chamfer or G2, G3. We have the ability also for auto chain select, also have, for example, construction history. There are other few options I will go into detail, but this pretty much is the way how when you have two open edges of a surface and you would like to create a blend. Now, because this one is interactive, I can select, for example, this vertex, move it to somewhere else, and you see everything follows. I also have the ability, besides deciding on each side what type of continuity I would like to have, to override for each side also the shape. With shape, that means how quickly, for example, or over what distance each surface continues being blended into the other surface. This is a very soft and smooth tool. So you see, all I do is basically work with those values to push the surface out. That, for example, is similar to the way how the align tool works. So to make an align, what I need first is actually I need to create a surface. So I create myself like a surface. So for example, the surface, then I maybe add vertical points or like intersections, because I need those for the align command. So I actually did not click this accept, so there it's now baked in. So align and say maybe G2, this surface to this surface. Okay, nothing, and then this to this. And the advantage of actually the surface blend is I just work with the values to slide. So for example, here, if I click in the middle, you see I can do pretty much the same, but I have a little bit more sculptural control. On the other side, I even can like make very uneven blends. So this, for example, I cannot necessarily do with the surface blend. Then here I have to create a surface and use the align tool. So this is basically how, for example, you make surface blends.